haven't slept all night.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Say hi, ladies. Hi, ladies. Okay, so I'm doing another video, this time with Harry Hounslow. How old are you?
8.
8. And what is your favourite thing to do at school?
Computing.
Computing. What happens with computing?
We get to do stuff that we have been set on the computers.
Wow, that's so cool. And what's your favourite thing to do at home?
My favourite thing to do at home is play my new game Luigi's Mansion 3.
Luigi's Mansion 3, which you got for Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
From...
Father Christmas.
I think Daddy got you that, didn't he? Mummy got you those slippers.
Yeah.
Bend your leg. There we go. So we have been going through a little bit of a wobbly patch, haven't we? With your kind of behaviour and your sleeping and things like that. So why don't you tell the ladies what Mummy bought you to help? There was 2 things that I bought you.
There was a worry plaque.
Yeah, and
Matilda's magic pillow spray.
yeah, so Matilda's magic pillow spray is a little spray that you can buy from Boots, and
Shall I go get it?
Yes.
Okay. These things are some
Careful.
of the things I like playing with. My ex-shop Nerf gun.
Punch me in the head with it. So this is the pillow spray here. It's called Matilda's Magical Pillow Spray. And it smells lovely. It's got lots of different kind of natural oils in it. I don't think we need to spray it. No. So I've also bought a worry plaque. You can buy them on Amazon. And what do you do with your worry plaque before every time you go to bed?
I put my hand on it.
And what do you do? How many deep breaths do you do?
Before it goes green, there's only enough time to do like 1 or 2.
Oh, okay. So basically this worry plaque, you put your hands on it and it senses your hands on there. And then, look, this is our hand. And it senses that your hand's there and it goes red. And then it's got like a little thing that you can read and then it goes green. And that's really helped you, hasn't it? Because you have some horrible thoughts sometimes. Don't know where they come from. Things that just worry you, you know, like about the cat running away and things like that. So basically he can get all his worries out onto this magical plaque. And then he can sleep soundly. And ever since we bought it, he's been sleeping so much better. And his attitude has been a lot better, haven't you? You've been less grumpy with me in the mornings when you're like, I haven't slept all night! Is that what you sound like?
No.
What's that? Is that your bug spray thing?
X-shot Nerf gun thing. I'll take that bullet out so I don't accidentally shoot the camera. Switches to the next bullet every time you pull this back like that. It switches to the next bullet. Why is that one all the way over there?
I don't know, but mind you don't shoot us in the face.
I don't remember.
There's a special in mathematical sums in minuses. You have to do the thing where you change.
Oh, commutative law.
Commutative law, yeah. He just comes out with these like really, really smart things. He's very, very smart. And how have you been with your sister? What is she... Do you remember when she was born? Do you remember when Charlie was born?
Nothing apart from him getting me Tracy Island.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
And Olivia got me Cosmo.
Oh yeah.
Should I go get him?
No.
Oh.
Aww. How is your sister?
Good.
Do you like her a lot? She loves you, doesn't she? She smiles at you all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're just going to go and shoot ourselves in the eyeballs now with this foam gun thing. And we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, ladies.
Bye, ladies. Pew. Here's the bullets.
Thank you.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.